Hello and welcome, dear followers. Today, we will show you how to make chocolate with different and wonderful designs. If this is your first time watching my channel, don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with the lovely shapes. First, we get raw chocolate. You can use either white or dark chocolate. Then, we melt the chocolate either in the microwave or in a double boiler. Once the chocolate is melted, we add a bit of oil to make it more smooth. Next, we take silicone molds and start filling the squares. You can add any food coloring to change the color of the chocolate, especially white chocolate. Add 2 to 3 or 4 drops of food coloring or chocolate coloring available at candy stores. Finally, we get simple and beautiful shapes. Dark chocolate also looks elegant and beautiful. If you liked these shapes, don't forget to share the video, and we'll see you in the next shapes. We start by preparing and melting the chocolate, then adding food coloring to change the color. After that, we fill the silicone molds to get different shapes. Please encourage us by subscribing to the channel. We work hard to bring you the most beautiful chocolate designs, so please support us by subscribing and help us continue. Your support allows us to come up with new ideas. I hope to see your encouragement by subscribing to the channel to support us and keep up with our new content. After seeing the first shapes and the decoration method, we get a heart-shaped silicone mold and fill it with dark chocolate. Then, we add some nuts or dried fruits as we like. We moisten it a bit and let it cool down a bit. Then, we put it in the molds to get a chic and beautiful shape. For the second shape, we prepare parchment paper and put a bit of chocolate, maybe with a chocolate spoon, and use a clip to shape it. We make it into a leaf shape and let it cool. Follow along to see the result. You can shape it any way you like. After folding the paper to get a rolled shape, it comes out like a leaf. It looks beautiful and can be used to decorate cakes, fruit dishes, or given to children. We use silicone molds and parchment paper to get different chocolate shapes, with the option to add nuts and dried fruits. Finally, after finishing the heart shape, we take a similar silicone mold, but this time we use colored chocolate, black and brown, after adding food coloring. We add nuts and dried fruits. In the end, we get beautiful and lovely shapes. If you liked these shapes, don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel and support us by leaving a comment below the video. See you in the next video, and peace be upon you.